play dispec. Okay, we're going. That is too creepy for me, bro. I'm out. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Don's channel, and today we are at the abandoned Pennsylvania Turnpike tunnels, and we're about to go in and check these out. I got my light mounted and my GoPro mounted up here so we can give you guys a first-person look at these tunnels. We're with my brother today. You want to say what's up to YouTube?
What's going on?
Yeah, and my buddy Justin. You've seen him before. He's come with me. But we're going to go through this first tunnel. This isn't the Rays Hill tunnel. This is the one farther down, the second one you can travel. So we're going to go in here. It's generating a lot of cool air coming out from here. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat. So you said we're going to go up around here then? Yeah, let's go in here and check this out. Entering the tunnel now. Dang, it is dark. It's not that dark though. It's not as dark as I thought it would be. So this is one of the maintenance shacks, right? So let's go check this out. It is dark in here though. Let's see if we can adjust my light. Holy hell. What's that say? The Pope of... Huh. So I'm pretty sure this is the area that they did... see the crank there and everything. And there's a big cool burning area here. I think this is where they stored coal to run the ventilation fans up top here and the generators. A little muddy in here. You ain't getting up there. Yeah, you ain't not getting up there. I feel like they purposely took the stairs out. Well, you can climb up around. Look at that. I think we're going to go up around.
Go up around the thing up here?
Yeah. Go up top. There's what? Is there? That's people being stupid. Oh yeah, it is. Huh. Oh yeah? You want to go up top? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, that guy seemed a little adventurous when he climbed up there. We're gonna climb up it. All right, here we go. Cool beans. So you can see that people are traveling up this way. Coming up here and getting to the back of the top of the tunnel. A little washed out too. Water coming down. Whoa! I don't want to break an ankle. Coming back down should be fun. That's way. Hey guys, watch your footing. They're loose. It's loose ground. I slipped once already. Hoo-wee. So the stairs were out in the maintenance shaft of the tunnel. So we're climbing. Wasn't expecting to do much climbing today, but here we are. Whew. You good? Yeah. This trail goes up and around. Definitely got to do a tick check after this. Holy cow. Never seen at the top of one of these tunnels. This isn't real stable, so I want to hold on to this. Do you have to go all the way around? Holy shit. Whoa. This is sketchy. What's that?
That was a lot more squirrely though.
One bad fall.
My shoes have no traction. They're basically skate shoes. Not the shitty skate shoes.
This is gonna be sketchy here. Ugh. Should have brought my gloves. Wow. Look at this. That is neat. Oh. All right, so we're up in the top part of the tunnel now, and yeah, that's crazy. Look at that in there. You could climb through that window if you wanted to. I don't think we're going to. Sorry about that light, guys. My hat's coming down. My hat's coming down in front. It's pretty neat though to see. What? What's going on up there?
Generators are in here, man. Nope.
Yo.
We can get it through there. You got to go into the bottom wall. I thought, would you climb through the door? Yeah.
Those are the ventilation generators they use to ventilate the tunnels. That's probably what that cool reserve down there was for.
Probably.
These are old. Real old. Did you get in down there?
Yeah, there's an opening down there.
All right.
Steps over there, you gotta crawl through the door.
You gotta crawl through.
Muddy mess down here though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Real bad?
Yeah. Not when you get in here. If you come over where I'm at.
Here, can you take this backpack quick? Cool beans.
That's where the staircase goes, Dirk.
What's that?
That's where the staircase goes.
Yo, this is awesome.
You know how unstable this shit probably is though?
Oh, hell no. You want to go down through there?
Oh yeah, you just know. This is some Last of Us type shit right here.
Yeah. You ain't lying. Look at those generators, or the ventilation fans. Man, that would suck.
You know how unstable this ground is, though? How easy it is to fall down there?
Yeah, look at that. There's a hole in the floor there. So, that would suck. Dang.
Fucking weird.
Pretty much it to see through there, huh?
Well, it's up there here, but looks like there's a path you can climb on that shit if you're feeling adventurous.
I don't know about feeling that adventurous. Unless you want to go back in there.
I'm not feeling that adventurous. I kind of want to, though. Honestly, I mean, we probably, how steep was this shit here if we climb on that?
We could.
Good. This right here.
That's fine. That's fine. As long as we remember to get.
I still gotta grab the bag from outside.
Are you keeping your backpack on
When?
right now?
No, why? There's a way we can get out over there.
There's another staircase right here.
Is there?
Yeah. My flashlight's over there. That's the only thing I'm doing.
We can grab it.
Oh.
So we are inside the maintenance building of the first tunnel that we came across. And we came across what you just seen was the big ventilation fans, turbines that went and ventilated these tunnels. These things are old. We're gonna climb through there and somehow we can follow these guys. But as you've seen down there, I showed you guys down this hill here. Not down this hill. As you've seen, I showed you guys down this big hole here. There's just a big giant hole and then another hole that's broken away down there. So yeah, we're gonna go through this area here. I'm gonna follow them. How'd you guys get through? You stepped on those logs. What's creepy?
Yeah, we went on that shit that's sitting in the mud. It's pretty stable.
Yeah, you're good if you go on them branches.
Just make sure you hold on to the wall.
Yeah, hold on to the wall.
Oh, the mud keeps them pretty
Yeah.
stable.
You have to keep shit out.
Oh, that happened.
Yeah, if you check what's on the wall over there.
Look,
What is it?
underneath
lettering
cool, it says do not scream.
in Chinese. Do not scream.
Do not scream?
Yeah.
What the?
What are these, the fucking...
No.
You make sure these probably the fucking victims of the people. No, this shit goes down there.
Everything's down. I'm gonna.
I don't even know if I want to see that. Screw it. What does it go down to?
I'll find out.
Do not scream.
I have a shitty flashlight. That's the staircase?
Dude, this is creepy.
Oh, this shit could, look, there's literally holes right here on the fucking floor.
Welcome, walkers.
What?
On the wall there.
Shit.
Hey Eric, what's your favorite thing? Dick number 53.
creepy is that corner.
That's really. Bruh.
Go in there.
There ain't no way. Dude, that goes across the whole tunnel.
No, I wouldn't trust that.
No, there's holes in the ceiling.
They connect. I see your light on the other side.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they do connect.
There's people below us right now.
Huh?
There's people below us.
Yeah.
You better pick that up.
That's loud. I don't know, you guys want to venture. What are these rails right here now? What are these rails right here for?
You're freaking out. Turn your lights up. Put your hand down there.
Hey, what are these tracks right here for?
They probably used them to run things across.
All the way down?
Yeah, main shafts.
This right here is where the real shit is.
Well, I'll tell you what, right now, this area here is the area that's probably not filmed. Everybody's going through underneath.
Yeah. You gotta think how
What is that? What is that?
You never know.
No, that my eyes are starting to play tricks on me.
That door is creepy.
Yeah, dude. Let's go back. Or do you want to go? I don't.
What if they can do? You think I can do that?
Dude, I do not trust this at all.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, they probably put the shit on this track and just fucking set that shit down.
Yeah. Well, that's exactly what they did. Yo, how far do you think people went down here? All the way, probably, huh?
Begin to do crime.
Wow. Black coffee. I'm just waiting for something to come out of the dark and just be like,
Pretty much.
whoa.
Freak the shit out of them.
You better hope our backpack doesn't get stolen.
What the one that's holy shit. It's too bad.
Play dispect. Okay, we're going. That's too creepy for me, bro. I'm out. Don't open dead inside.
That's awesome.
We have the high ground. Don't do it, Anakin.
That's creepy as fuck. I'm not even walking.
Yo, I like this. Dude, this is probably the neatest place we've been so far. Hands down. What do you think? Coolest place so far, Justin? We're gonna have to make a ranking of like top 10 places. Now, dude, you know what we could do? Can we? Oh, we can't. I was gonna say, we could have climbed through those turbines
Yeah, let me look at that.
to go through.
You go to this side?
We gotta get this back.
Backpack, bro. Backpack.
Oh, yeah, my light's over here too.
Yeah, it's good. Just...
This probably could be my best video yet.
We already have tetanus, who cares?
Technically our video, since that's what we've been doing. Oh, I can't believe I slipped off that rock. These shoes don't have as much traction. I'm getting rid of all the tread too by running.
These are fucking...
These shoes already have like so many miles on them. So we can't get down to this area then. Right?
Yeah,
What?
we can.
There's stairs still?
That staircase over here goes right down one level.
But you trust it.
I'd take that backpack off your hands if you want.
Oh, I got the
Alan, what is, no, Jurassic Park. Alan, give me the pat.
Oh, yeah.
He's got raptor eggs in it.
The stairs down there is fucked.
Huh?
This... Trust it?
Oh, dude, this is fucking crazy.
I mean, there's obviously spray paint, so people going down here enough already.
Just gotta watch your step.
This is the 100th of the fucking tunnel.
I'm gonna wait till you go off so it's not too much weight on it.
Yeah, because this is where the staircase stops for the other floor. This floor might not be safe.
Oh yeah. It's just like a storage area. No, look, Justin, I ain't going down, look.
Yeah, that step was like that too.
Bill, you know what? I'll hold on to the railing. That's concrete here, so we're good.
Yeah, but this is where the hole was in the floor. It looks like somebody threw that rock down there.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I did not trust this, man. I'm going back up.
Bro, if you want to be an urban explorer, man, you gotta take chances.
No, I'm at that staircase. This is again.
Looks like somebody beat it too, though. That's pretty sturdy. There are holes in the thing, though.
Oh man, we died in this one. Cool.
Nice. Out here, little windows, you could see all the cars driving through.
Well, it's spray paint, so obviously we're going on here anyways.
Yeah, right now you can see all the ground in here.
Alright.
It cuts off, but looking up like that,
Yeah.
it's a perfect view of what you're seeing.
When I look straight? Cool. So the light's not affecting it. Well, that's that giant hole in the floor I showed you guys. Honestly, you probably could jump down there. It just would hurt a little bit. That's the abandoned turnpike.
The only cool thing to think about is the fact that directors and filmmakers were standing fucking around this area. Filming that shit's pretty cool.
It is.
Ready to go down the tunnel?
Yeah, we can go down.
All right. How you doing?
Good day to be outside.
It is.
It is. Cool. All right, let's do it. Head back up these rickety, shady ass steps. Oh yeah, look at this. Justin.
What?
You'll think twice about coming back down these steps again.
That bottom step is right.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah.
Let's just get up there, one at a
All
time.
right, I'll go first then.
One person at a time.
And don't hit that.
Oh, this is shady.
I'm not even stepping on the first step.
I did. Something dangerous. They call me Eric Dangerous.
Alright, I'll wake you up.
I feel like they welded this door shut.
It is welded shut.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're definitely not supposed to be in here.
It welded shut right in here.
You want to take
Yeah,
this backpack? I'll head first.
Can you like...
Good? You need me to get anything?
Hold that.
You didn't have AIDS before, you definitely have AIDS now. Or is it like the drink things down there still?
Huh?
I can take the shoe off.
Yeah,
Put
down.
salt in the shit. I gotta see what's going
Down there and take it off. I hate that.
There you go.
When you had to cut them, that shit fucking presses up again.
You guys want to go down this way and try to go down this way? The other way's a little sketchy.
Yeah. I mean, this place side is gonna be too, but
Well, we can always check it out.
Thank you for bringing me, man. It's just...
Dude, no problem. Anytime. All right, so we're gonna get back down there.
Want a free sweatshirt? It's pretty nice. Free sweatshirt. It's pretty nice. I like brand new.
That's because it is. It's his.
Oh, it's someone else.
Yeah.
That's why I like that. This one. Yeah, look. You can get on this one?
Yeah, do that or this one. I don't know.
I think this would tamper down.
Try this way first.
Yeah, because that way it's a little sketchy at them roots.
Does it? I'm not trying to get a broken ankle today. Oh yeah, I forgot we left that there.
Could you imagine how bad that would be if I tried to go into this place like that?
What's that?
You can imagine how difficult it would be for me if you tried to go through there with that.
Take some.
All right, so we're heading back down. We're gonna go through the tunnel. We got another whole tunnel yet to go through today yet, so stay tuned. We're going through. We can go here.
Just spray all the goods.
Oh, this is sketchy. Oh, this is sketchy. Yo, next time we're bringing rope. Just
I'm
to,
bringing my fucking hiking boots.
Careful, hey, there's a stump down here. I don't want you guys tripping on that.
I don't want to trip and die at all.
It'd be awesome to get a side by side down here though.
Oh yeah.
Cool air is nice though.
I bet it does. I gotta make it to that tree. Go ahead.
You alright?
Very muddy down here.
It's very what? Muddy.
Muddy right in this area, so I would try to, there's thick hits, try to get over on this side of it.
Whoa.
Try to go on that stick and go across.
We really feel that fucking air.
That's what I said, that feels good. But yeah, right
Watch
here.
this bitch too.
Oh,
I just pushed faster, but
They have the big giant.
you're what? Bushmaster.
yeah, I am.
Are you the master of the bush?
Should I even say that? I kind of want to do
That's what they used to call my ex-girlfriend too.
Really? Are you guys gonna watch the Jay and Silent Bob reboot?
I want to.
Fucking
I hate how Silent Bob looks though.
That's his whole thing though.
That's the whole motive of the movie.
Did you see how Silent Bob looks?
I don't like. He lost all his weight. Doesn't look like Silent Bob anymore.
Oh, I thought you didn't like how he.
We almost went skiing.
I thought you were saying you don't like how silent he looks. And I was
Did
like,
you ever watch what the TV show was about their comic book store in Jersey?
Clerks? Or no, I don't think I have actually.
What was? Oh, I forget what it's called.
I know what you're talking about, but I don't think I've ever actually seen it. I follow him on
It's
Instagram.
actually pretty cool. We stopped in there one time we were down there in Cape May. It was like a 45-minute drive from where we were staying. It's pretty cool. They all the guys on the show are in there. They're the ones that run the show.
Honestly, Kevin, he's one of my fucking, he's one of my motivations.
There's quite a few people coming down through tunnels.
You can get in there if you go up and around.
How do you go around?
You got one of two options. If you go this way, it's really sketchy.
Yeah.
So you don't want to go up that way unless you're like, feel like you're on the side of a cliff. Because once you get up and around, you have to go all the way around and back. But if you go up this way, you can go up, climb up one of these hills here, or go walk even farther down where it tapers off. Go up, there's a trail, goes all the way around to the back side.
We were up
Really
in,
like inside.
Yeah, if you go inside, if you go down to this level right here where we're just at, those steps are a little sketchy.
Oh really?
Yeah, but you can go see where the turbines are for the ventilation for the tunnel. You can see where all that's and everything. It's pretty neat.
as long as you got a bright light. We do.
Yeah, make sure you got a good light.
Cool. Thanks.
Yep. All right, into the tunnel we go.
Feels good.
Feels real good. It's better than being out in that heat. I'll tell you that right now.
Alright, my light starts on. You guys can hold
All right, so we're in the tunnel right now. And yeah, we're in a hold. Whoever started making that sound back though, that was creepy. That was creepy. Creepy. All right, I'm going light mode, guys, so. Yeah, that's why they got rid of these tunnels, because they're only 2-car line. So today's traffic would definitely.
Now that you mentioned it, it's like you see everyone. Yeah, but someone's like screwed up.
Dude, look at, oh wow. Holes are chipping away. Yeah.
That's why I was like, walking
Elon Musk. Muscan. Sometimes to stay alive, you gotta kill your mind. Okay? No? There's gonna be no killing. Wow. That ceiling's a little sketchy, bro.
I did hear a lot about people saying that the ceiling, the top part, is breaking off a lot. And you have to be careful when you're
Whoa, right there. What is that? Is that?
Yeah,
Huh.
they said you gotta watch out because you still get hit in the head when you walk around.
Should have brought a helmet. Wow. Dude, if nobody had a flashlight, you're going through that hole. Because it's dark up there.
I think we're about to get ambushed by those infected. And we have no first aid kits.
First aid
Shit wide open. That's the thing about
Do. Yeah, it's this. I might need a brighter light. What's that? Oh yeah, definitely. That's awesome. All right, so we're coming up to the end of the tunnel. You think they have a service area up top this end too, or not? Yeah. Realize though in here, the air is very like heavy, very dense. Yeah. Well, I guess it could be the other way around. It would be really thin. Or whatever way is the harder air to breathe. That's corroding away. Yeah, it is.
It's cool to get this shit in now because you don't know how long until it's collapsed and we can't go here anymore. Look how nasty that water bubble is.
Yeah, everything looks nasty there.
You know how Eric, we should come back here in winter for more frozen shit.
Oh yeah. It's probably another thing that helps this decay more is the in the wintertime that water freezing and thawing, freezing.
you ever see in the news the kid who felt kind of refrigeration thing at the door and it goes down and he's in there screaming.
Huh.
Now that the kids are running around the top of me, walking people like this.
We just end up walking to the end of the tunnel. This is the other end of the tunnel, and we can actually go in here. So we can actually go in here, dude. But it looks like it's covered with a lot of debris. It's the same exact way as it is the other side.
Is it?
Yeah.
So this looks like it's more trashy and the other way. They're not even left that thing and spray painted over it. Lazy. Going through.
No, I'm good. Look at that roof.
Yeah, this one I'm not going up this one at all or trying. Maybe not up there.
The big sign up there says trespassers will be prosecuted. Yeah. That is neat. Yeah, so it's a sight to behold. You got the tunnel behind me. And I got the GoPro footage for you guys too. So, yeah. I don't know if we're gonna walk down to the other tunnel or not. It's pretty much the same thing. We might go down to the other tunnel.
Big because we'll go and kill them right away.
You can toss at it so it coils back up.
So here we got ourselves a timber rattler snake.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, that's why I'm not. He's already angry.
He's getting.
Is he shaking his rattle? Yeah, he is. He's turning, so I'd be careful, dude.
Yeah, he's coming this way.
All right, so we're walking up to the Rays Hills Tunnel. And this is the second of the 3 tunnels that you can explore. Well, the third tunnel you can't really explore because it's built, or it was bought by a NASCAR driver, so they did NASCAR testing there. But this one is a lot shorter, and we walked a whole distance from the other tunnel to this tunnel. What's up? Yeah, this tunnel's a lot shorter than the other one. As you can see, it doesn't have the ventilation.
I don't know, there's still the door there.
There is a door there. This air feels definitely good after, how many miles did I say it was?
3 or 2.
Something like that. Huh. Ooh, yeah. Feels real good. Yeah, so this is Ray Hill Tunnel. Oh. The hell, I wonder what the hell they did in here.
This just looks like an electrical room.
Yeah.
Just an electrical room.
What's that? Yeah. It's funny. Yeah, this tunnel doesn't even get as dark either. Well, I don't know, man. They got ventilation up there. What's that? Well, let's see. Guess we're gonna find out. This one feels like inside it's a lot better condition than. Yeah. There is still lines on the road. Let's see what happens if I turn the light off. Oh yeah, you can still see even with the light off. I think those holes there, you know what they were? They were probably the lights, the round holes. What's that? That's what I was saying, yeah. I think those were for lights. Same with those right there. Yeah. Alright, so we are approaching the end of Ray Hill Tunnel. It's not as long as the first one. Definitely. But you can see the light at the end of the tunnel. You're right there. I don't know what that means. Must be some young kid slang.
Chef.
Or chief.
Surge. What does it say? S-A-K-D?
I have no clue, dude.
I think they might be dyslexic.
It's like, man, I'm really good at spray painting, but I can't read or spell.
What the fuck is it say?
What's that?
We did go through a big dark portion.
Here, Justin, you crawl in here? And there. Oh, those are just light mounts. Is it? Pretty cool. What was that? This is probably the cleanest artwork out of this whole place.
Not fresh, but it might be.
You know it. Some young kids here doing stuff. What? There's a path right here. I don't feel like dealing with a bunch of young punks. That's Ray's tunnel.
Alright guys, so that's the abandoned turnpike tunnels in Pennsylvania. You guys can come visit this anytime you want. It's open to the public. I suggest you bring a bike. We walked the whole thing. It's about 6 miles one way. And we went through both tunnels, as you could see in the video. But if you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, we got a lot more coming. So all I need you to do is hit that subscribe button. After you hit the subscribe button, like this video. It helps me out a lot. And then hit the bell notification so you guys get more videos like this each and every week. That being said, we'll see you in the next one.